Laugh, learn, and play, only on Buffalo World.
5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck quacked, quack, 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 but only 4 came waddling back. 4 little ducks with feathers bright splashed in the pond from morning to night. Mother duck quacked, quack, 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 but only 3 came waddling back. 3 little ducks, so playful and free, hid in the reeds beneath the tree. Mother duck quacked, quack, 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 but only 2 came waddling back. 2 little ducks swam fast and fun, chasing each other in the sun. Mother duck quacked, quack, 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 but only 1 came waddling back. 1 little duck went out to play. He followed a butterfly far away. Mother duck quacked, quack, 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 but no little ducks came waddling back. Lonely mother duck, sad and blue, called to the hills, "Where are you?" She spread her wings so wide and strong, and quacked her loudest all day long. Then 5 little ducks, to her surprise, came running back with joyful cries. Over the hills, across the track, all 5 little ducks came waddling back. They splashed in the water, laughed with glee, happy together, a family. Mother duck smiled, quack, 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 her little ducks would never lack. Now when they swim, they stay in sight, close to their mother, day and night. 5 little ducks, so fluffy and sweet, waddle and paddle with happy feet. And every day they laugh and play, over the hills and far away. When mother quacks, they answer back, 5 little ducks, all safe in track.